March 13th, 2026, 3:41 a.m. UTC. The SETI Observatory in Arecibo, Puerto Rico receives an anomalous signal from the direction of Kepler 186f, planet 500 light-years away. Previously identified as being within the habitable zone. Unlike typical cosmic noise or pulsar data, this signal follows a pattern, prime numbers repeated in alternating intervals, accompanied by harmonic tones that resemble low-frequency musical chords. Dr. Alina Vora, a systems linguist monitoring the signal, is the first to identify a secondary pattern. The pauses between bursts are decreasing by a consistent factor form, what appears to be a countdown. Meanwhile, in a secure NASA transmission room in Houston, archived records from the Voyager Golden Record project light up. The new signal is mimicking a portion of Earth's original message to the cosmos. Someone or something was responding. Asterisk. Dr. Alina Vora teams up with acoustic physicist Dr. Matteo Reyes in Geneva. Together, they run a spectral analysis of the signal's harmonic components. The results are uncanny. The harmonics mirror the structure of the circle of fifths used in Earth's Western musical theory. Even more strangely, when the signal is sped up 37 times, it forms a perfect Fibonacci rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 in sound. When overlaid onto a spherical frequency map of Earth's Schumann resonance, the tone modulations align with major World Heritage sites: Machu Picchu, Giza, Göbekli Tepe. This is no ordinary signal. It's music, but not just to be heard, to be decoded across the globe. Amateur ham radio operators begin to pick up synchronized pulses at exactly 1947 GMT. Every signal ends with the same tone, a resonant G hash that fades into silence. Asterisk. On March 15th, 2026, seismic instruments in Turkey, Peru, and Egypt record ultra-low frequency tremors barely noticeable, but identical in wave structure. Dr. Alina Vora and Dr. Reyes fly to Göbekli Tepe, where the oldest known megalithic site on Earth begins to hum faintly, not from outside but within. Using ground-penetrating radar, the team identifies a hollow chamber beneath Pillar 18, previously thought to be solid bedrock. Inside this chamber, they find a single obsidian disc resting on a pedestal. When the Kepler signal is played back through a directional speaker, the disc vibrates and emits a secondary frequency not heard before. The pattern, identical to the tone ending every global signal, the resonant G hash, but now the tone begins to fluctuate, modulating in rhythm. It forms the shape of an interference pattern in the air, captured by laser mist imaging. The pattern is not just musical, it's linguistic. Asterisk. Using an eye-assisted phonetic mapping, Dr. Vora and Dr. Reyes analyze the air pattern from the obsidian disk. It forms a repeating waveform that resembles early Proto-Sumerian pictographs, symbols used before formal writing systems. by feeding the waveform through a multidimensional pattern recognizer at CERN. They reveal what appears to be a call and response. Structure one part of the waveform presents a statement, and the next mirrors its slightly altered, like a reply. The message, when translated, reads, from dust, signal, profirm, signal, shape. From shape, memory. Echo is not voice, is survival. The team is stunned. This isn't just a signal. It's a philosophy encoded into resonance. Dr. Reyes hypothesizes that the signal is not meant to be answered in language, in action. A frequency must be created that mirrors Earth's echo, a reflection of who we are. Dr. Reyes assembles a global team of ethnomusicologists, sound engineers, and cultural historians. The mission: identify sonic patterns from Earth's collective civilizations that could form a reflective echo to the Kepler signal in Japan. Monks chant a 1,200-year-old mantra with tones strikingly close to the G-hash resonance. In Mali, griots play choras whose harmonic overtones align with the interference pattern. In Peru, flutes carved from condor bones match the Fibonacci rhythm. When these samples are combined digitally, an interference pattern emerges, an echo of Earth's cultural memory. The composite waveform is played back near the obsidian disk. For the first time, it responds not with tone, but with light. The glyphs on the chamber walls begin to glow faintly, forming a spiral that points upward. The team realizes this is not just a reply, it's a direction. On the eve of 2027, Earth's radio silence is broken by Earth itself. Using the global frequency gathered from cultural resonance, a final transmission is created, a harmonic blend of human voice, music, natural sounds, and a single modulated frequency, the echo Earth has composed. It is not a signal of conquest, nor pleaded. Simply says, we are listening, and now we remember. Across the solar system, no response comes. But at Lagrange Point 5, a faint shimmer is captured by infrared telescopes, an object phasing out of detection range, leaving no trail. And beneath Göbekli Tepe, the obsidian disk quietly dims, returning to stillness. The signal is gone, but so is the silence.